see at my back, we are here in Bitaog, the infamous centennial tree in the Philippines.
Bitaog, the Philippine Centennial Tree. Magallanes is the fourth-class municipality in the province of Agusan del Norte, Philippines. It was named after the shore name of Ferdinand Magellan, a maritime explorer from Portugal. Magallanes is a place known to be rich in history because of its many historical sites found in the area. One of its most historic sites is the gigantic 500 years old Bitaog, Culepealium inopilium tree. Local historian Furlan Timor, who nominated the Bitaog tree as the oldest tree in the 1998, said the trunk of the tree measures 290 centimeters in diameter. It was officially given the title of the Philippine Centennial Tree. It is approximately 500 years old with a diameter of 290 centimeters. It is claimed to be the oldest tree in the Philippines. For a long time after being officially bestowed the honor as the Centennial Tree by the Philippines Centennial Commission headed by former Vice President Laurel, 1999 to 2000. The Bitaog trunk is a short, with low big branches and a dense spreading crown. The bark outside is rough, cracky, dark brown to blackish. Its leaves are simple, opposite, leathery and oblong. The inflorescence sub-branch, occasionally with three flowered branches. Flowers are snowy, white, fragrant with numerous yellow stamens. Fruits in a small branch of drupe. They are round, smooth, with green exocarp measuring 3 to 4 centimeters in diameter. Its yellow seeds are enclosed and thin, dark brown, cork and thin. Brittle light brown shell with a diameter of 2 to 3 centimeters.
Ulian ang saman. Wala siya ikian. Wala na po ilisay. Kurayo na manuloy kami.
One day pa namin ang testing na.
So, kung sa may mga resulta sa kurayo mo?
Effective siya na.
So, kaya din ninyo.
Ay, diri lang ka tayo. Ingkod lang tayo. Diri lang.
Robilin Marquez.
Okay, sa Maria Cristina. Taga din mo, ma'am?
Doña Maria.
Sa Alvira. Okay, salamat. Okay, ma'am.
Sa lain nga nasyon. Hindi ako ginagamit. Sa 1993. Sa unang kulis ko, sa pinirabuhan ng balik.
Pag kuan dire itong tikuwang may nananom aning kuan kaning daon kahoy. Di kuan ni tanom 5 years out total kuan na limton sa
Mga pila na kanis na ka siya ni katuig na tanong
di magod pag abot na gud rin in diwan. Kanya 5 years to kami ngadto na butang ang kuan niya sa tanuig.
ana dito sa pan.
Oh, pero wa naman to kay tong gi kuanan nila kanang gi kuanan og tuig sa pagkuan ani. Bangkaan man sa dump truck. Di naguba tong sanga. Sa toto sa 5 years naman kuno o 500 years.
Kada siya 500 years. Grabe na, dugay na kayo.
Dugay kay.
Nga kanong kaning kahoy sa nang nabali nito ito.
Nabali ni kay nagabus man ang kuan. Kanang nabay bangig anong tunga.
Nabangal sa tunga nga. Gabok na.
Nya dako pud ang sanga diri. Gamay ito na ano. Kapit sa diri.
Wala na karon.
Awan na tayo na ang mga puno ano. Nandito na.
Kanang mga dagkuan ka.
Hanggang kanang ipan tusok ya katinggoy.
Pero sa rapod to sir. Ang katong kuan katong
Sukat pagkabali, oh.
pagkabali ano pa
2002, 2002.
2000 to. Deme,
Oo, kaya naipayag na ito sa ibabaw na itaon.
nailog ko yung sa taas.
Oo. Tingnan mo ko kayo mga naipayag. Kaya akong balay sa una, pag-abot na ako diri, solera pa akong bumbong, inya sa loob. Gamay pa. Mga 4-4 na kada ko. Inya ko naman ako kusina. Rukat ko ba? Nagtumo may akong.
Dito sa kuan.
Pinagkuhan naman ko doon nag-isipay. Init ng tubig.
So, tay, naman doon ay kuan tay kanang kahoy tay ba na siya history bitaw tay. Kanang murag tuo daw ba sa una. Unsa man pud to tay?
Ambot lang daw ako kuan.
Wala pud ay no.
Tinuod man ko na sab na itoan. Na may tingan diri.
Namuyog ga.
Kaya ako na sa una. Sa pagkabot na ako diri. Ako may nakahindo ani. Tamnan ako bulangon yung kanang diha, kamuti. Ito man. Tama ko kay na may manglingkod na tinawa mo ng tao. Nakakita ng gamot diha ng dako. Pagkabuo.
Pagkatao malingkod
Ang
nila.
duhang ba? Yung duhang lagi.
Dili ito mga batanon dire.
Di ba? Kung pa ka ni,
Sarado pa.
sabot ko.
Sagot pa.
So wala din nagikural diri sa una tay.
Oo. Ang kanang puno na nanakol puno na ako pag kuan ang nakuha na akong kwarta niya 2,000 kapin.
Nalikwal ka ba?
2,000 Ay, itsa man ang mga
Tao.
oo kanang sakyanan. Itsa man na sila diha sa
Para kuan.
para kuno di sila magbuyagan.
Bulagan. Pa mabantayan mo darat.
ka katuig rin ng puyo tayo. Sa
Okay na, mga 40 na kasi.
40. Anong kuhan tayo kadua? Unsay na ibalan nimo about anong tuyo tayo sa katsauna? Kung kanang in-history niya wa? Sa imong nabsan.
Abot ang tuloy mo nang nagpa nga. Kita nila, bro. Ako galing mo, marumula mo kudukutan. Tawangan.
Tauan.
Oo, tawan.
Ya, kuhan din tayo ni. Unsa may naitabo nga nung nabali ang kanang tuyo tayo?
Tungod ko siyang
Sa
nagayo
Dugayon.
na ba? Saan sa kayo na ba? Kagaya mo na.
Bali na bali. Dili na isa ka ng murag bagyo na.
Wala ba? Siwa tayo bagay.
On June 12, celebration of centennial anniversary of the Philippine independence. The project gives recognition to the manifold contribution of Tres to our nation's history, culture, and socio-economic development. Magallanes in the winning entry has been rated by the Eric Galligun. Its historical and cultural significance 35%, accessibility 10%, diameter size 20%, crown form 10%, and vigor and health 25%. Florantimor, who nominate the Bitaog tree, Calophyllum inophyllum, in the Magallanes, Agusan del Norte, as the oldest tree in 1998, said the trunk of the tree measures 290 centimeters in diameter. The 500 years old Bitaog tree giant at Barangay Caloocan, Magallanes. Based on existing documentation, the tree referred by the European cartographers as it was the custom of Filipino of naming place after tree. Forced labor had to gather for 1 whole month in the Magallanes Butuan, Vigo, and dump them into the passage between the islet of the Pungtod in the shore to prevent entering in the Agusan River of big ships. However, during the colonial era, the Spanish galleon Magallanes on shore area practices of using its lumber as a ship to across. This survival has been witness of the many historic events that occurred with this municipality of Magallanes, now the present. Among these are the departure of the Christianized Butuan to Bohol, the many piratical raids of the Moros, the initial evangelization of Mindanao, the birth of Caraga as a region during the Spanish colonial period, the twilight of Spain's power, the struggle of the Agusanons against the Americans. The 6 persons weren't enough to cover the whole trunk. According to its official diameter, breast height measurement, DBH, the tree has a staggering 270 centimeters diameter that requires at least 10 persons to hug the whole tree. But it is a buttress-free tree. It looks not as big as the other younger century-old trees, but the age of the tree is not measured on its buttress or diameter, but on the annual ring that hides within its hardened trunk, and only scientific way of measuring can determine the exact age of that tree. Bitaog tree, under the family Gutiferae, and is described generally as a medium-sized to large evergreen tree that average 8 to 20 meters or 25 to 65 feet in height, with a broad spreading crown of irregular branches. The tree supports a dense canopy of glossy, elliptical leaves, fragrant white flowers, and large round nuts. It grows along coastal areas and adjacent lowland forests. This tree is usually used as ornamental plant for its grandiose canopy aside from its hardwood that is prized for carving, furniture, and boat making. Leaves and fruits are poisonous, but the seeds are the source of calophyllum oil which is said to have medicinal and healing.
Here in Magallanes.
To! Sino may panyo?
Ako ang sibilya mo.